Hi, this is Rakesh Shukla. I'm speaking to you again from the Voice of Stray Dogs Sanctuary and Hospital. I wanted to quickly take some minutes to talk about something really important at the time of this lockdown. Most of you who are feeders, who take care of dogs, otherwise, you really well understand by now how to take care of dogs. You can take police passes, you can go out, approach your local administration, and so on and so forth. But I'd like to summarize something and end it up with a really interesting High Court judgment that has come out on the matter of being able to take care of your animals in the time of this lockdown. The writ petition specifically refers to that. Those of you who know, a notification 916 of 2019-20 from the Animal Welfare Board of India, which was dated the 23rd of March, clearly said that all animals and birds that are dependent on people, their feed and fodder should be made available to them. This letter was sent out to all the chief secretaries of the states and the union territories. Thereafter, there was another notification that was issued, number 40-3 of 2020, on the 26th of March, which was from the Ministry of Home Affairs, Disaster Management Division, when the Joint Secretary wrote to all the chief secretaries of all the states and union territories, saying that it has come to their notice that some states are not allowing the movement of animal feed and fodder within the states and between the states. And the notification clarified that the movement is part of the exceptional list under clause 6, and therefore all movement within intrastate and interstate should be allowed. But the really interesting part is the writ petition WP TMP 2028 of 2020. This was dismissed on the 6th of April 2020, when the petitioner specifically said that he's not being allowed to go and procure cat food because the police is not giving them a pass. The judgment clearly says and refers to an earlier judgment of 2014, AWBI versus Nagaraj, and says that animals have a fundamental right to life. More than that, it goes ahead to say that over 7 decades, there is a lot of emphasis that has been given on citizens' rights, but animals have rights too, and it defines animal rights, which includes Section 3 and 11 of PCA, read with Article 51A, Part G of the Constitution of India, and it says the rights are the right of freedom from hunger, freedom from fear and distress, freedom from discomfort, freedom from disease and injury, and allowing animals patterns of usual behavior. So it's a very telling statement and a very broad statement about rights of animals in India. Before the writ petition before the order, which says that a self-declaration is sufficient along with a copy of this judgment for people to be able to move to take food and medicine for animals that they own or animals in distress. It doesn't say clearly animals in distress, but I'm kind of stretching it and to include that. So it's an important judgment, and I think it's something that all of us who take care of animals in whichever way should be aware of. Also, the two notifications by the Government of Animal Welfare Board of India and the Government of India, as well as this writ petition order, is part of the text that accompanies this video, and I'm hoping that you will make the best use of it, especially given the news that the end of the lockdown is not going to be sudden, and on the 14th or 15th in different places of the country it will be in a phased manner. So I think we should all be prepared for a protracted lifting of this lockdown, and therefore these judgments and orders will be very essential in ensuring that animals in our care continue to be well fed and well taken care of. Thank you.